Hi, I'm Leonard and welcome to my home.
Might be giving yourself credit for.
Okay, the theme of my home is, I guess it's very clean. I think I took a lot of inspiration from the Scandinavian homes that I've been doing research on. So I needed a little bit of light, the balance of colors, natural wood, and of course the open space. I guess Fineline, when I did my research, I actually met up with about 5 to 6 interior designers. I think when I met up Roger from Fineline, he gave me the confidence that he know what am I looking for, and then there is always a consultation and a discussion rather than sometimes you meet interior designers that just want to do what they want to do. So Roger gave a lot of feedback as well as working around my ideas to come up with solutions for the home. The favorite part of my home is actually what you can see behind. It's actually a wall, but it's disguised cupboard within. So it's something that I guess I kind of took inspiration from one of the catalog that I saw. So that was so I gave Roger the image and got him to kind of spec out how to achieve that look. I guess that kind of anchors the whole house with the colors, and then there's also the hosting areas where I got a lot of friends around. We can sit around and talk about things over parties and dinners. Yeah, I would recommend Fineline Design definitely, and also to kind of work with Roger because for the fact that he's able to take in my requirements, understand, to listen to what I have in mind and translate that into the design of what I want for my home. When I embark on the journey of renovating my home, I guess don't be afraid to kind of talk to more interior design firms, get a sense of what they are strong in, and then how it's going to complement what you have in mind in your design. I think most importantly is talk to a few, and the chemistry is the most important. Bye. Thank you for watching.
Renopedia, the most engaging online renovation media.